Hi. First impression to Chai is sweet. One word to describe Chai, malambing, mabait. Things, traits that you will miss. Chai is very approachable whenever needed or kapag financial man yan or anything. You're sweet, fun, or message to Chai. Chai, kahit nasa US ka man or kung nasan ka man, I'm always be here as your brother. So, alam mo naman na yun.
My first impression to Chai, super mahiyain siya na tao. And one word to describe her, same, very reserved person but in a good way. And I will miss the budol moments with her using her credit card. And yeah, my message to her is that Chai, you don't have much time to have a deeper conversation, but I know that you're a good person, a good daughter. So yeah, always make your mama proud and enjoy every journey that life has to offer. So yeah.
First impression kay Chai, tahimik. Pero, ayan, tahimik lang ako sa umpisa. Pero madaldal din pala, ayan. One word to describe Chai is cool. Ayan. Tingin ka nasabi ko rin sa kanya na cool. Ang mamimiss ko kay Chai ay yung pag-aabono, joke lang. Yung gusto ko siya kausap in terms of sa mga interest, nagkakasundo kami. And sa mga ibang bagay, and sa video games, yan, ka Nintendo Switch ka yan, with Dave. Ayan, ayun. Kulang na yung Cavite crew. Ayan. So, Chai, we are happy for your success to move on a role that mas showcase mo yung talent mo. Ayan. So, keep in touch na lang and we support you in any way. If you need us, message lang sa teams and any initiatives and project mo. Yun, you can have us. Kung sino kailangan mo, yan. Message ka lang. Tulungan ka namin, support ka namin. Yan, good luck and God bless. See you around.
One word to describe Chai is, I would say, si Chai, bookworm. So, she loves to read. So, yun. First impression ko kay Chai is, mukha siyang masulit. Pero, yun. Okay. So far naman hindi. So, yun. One thing that, anong miss ko kay Chai is, ayun. So, yung mga chika, of course, yung mga scope sa showbiz, tapos, of course, yung pagiging finance manager niya sa Master Data Team. So, yun. Message ko sa'yo, yun. So, good luck dun sa bagong environment na mapupuntahan mo. I know it's a big changes, but I know sa personality mo, makakayanan mong ma-survive yun. So, mabilis lang yun. So, always remember na nandito lang kami ng buong Master Data Team to support you and whatever na homesick ka. So, just message us. So, yun. Good luck. And I hope and I pray that yung kung anong nasa puso mo is makamit mo doon. And, syempre, love life. So, pero I know may plans ka sa life mo yun. Sana lahat is makamtan mo. So, sa career, sa love, sa health, yan. Good luck. Bye-bye!
Hi, Chai. Well, my first impression is actually wala masyado kasi you're all very nice to me first day pa lang. Maybe I thought you're super tahimik girl. One word that describes you is you're pretty smart. And then, one thing I like about you a lot is yung pag-initiate mo that you need to, or you will pay first. Also, yung mga pagyaya ng pagkain, ganyan. Ayun, nakakatawa. Then, ang mamimiss ko is yung pagkukwentuhan, chatting, also the pag-share ng mga bagay-bagay na nabili, such as damit, ganyan. Then, actually, we will miss you a lot. Parang, pag nawala na si Chai sa group, sa team, is, hindi na siya katulad ng dati. Ayun, so, ingat ka sa US. Maghanap ka na ng AFAM mo doon. Huwag mong kakalimutan na bigyan ako if ever may mahanap ka na. Alam mo na yung pinag-usapan na natin yun. So, yun. Bon voyage. Ingat ka doon. Okay? And, keep in touch lagi. Okay? Bye! Love you.
Siguro, word that will describe or I will remember for Chai is hotdog. Believe it or not, I know, mahilig siya sa hotdog. Papaihaw, prito, or whatever. Hotdog yan. So, good luck, girl. Good luck sa new career. No, not new career, pero good luck sa pag-transfer and lipat ng place lang naman. I know work will still be the same. So, balitaan mo kami pag may AFAM ka na. And, i-enjoy mo yung mas malalaking hotdog dyan. Sausage! Bye, girl!
Hello, Chai. Paano ba yan? Alis na yung seatmate ko. Mamimiss kita, Chai. Mamimiss ka ng buong master data team. Wish you all the best and success there in Kaizen US. Take care always of yourself. And hoping mahanap mo na yung Mr. Right mo doon. And the AFAM that you're looking for. And keep in touch always. Kahit na wala ka dito, you're still part of our team. We love you. First impression ko kay Chai is tahimik na tao. So, yun ang una kong tingin nung una ko siyang makita dito sa Kaya Jen. Tapos, one word to describe Chai is she loves, so I could say that she is a bookworm since mahilig naman siya magbasa ng mga books. Then, things and traits that I will miss with Chai is yung pagiging mapagbigay niya in terms for yung finances ng team. Siya yung nag-finance kung wala kaming pera dahil sasahuran pa yung pera namin. Tsaka, mapagbigay siya in a sense na kung may tanong ka, sinasagot naman niya, tsaka yung knowledge na alam niya, sinishare niya, ganun. And then, I could say for Chai, I wish you all the best and success sa Kaya Jen US. Wish ko din na sana mahanap mo na rin yung AFAM mo doon, yung happiness mo doon, at lagi ka sanang mag-iingat doon dahil alam ko namang malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Mamimiss ka namin. And sana hindi ka magbago. Keep in touch pa rin. Mamimiss ko yung seatmate ko. Wala nang nagtatawag sa akin para mag-CR. Yung magpapasama sa akin. So, mamimiss kita, Chai. And also, alam ko naman, mamimiss ka din ng team. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Sana, alam naman namin na yung dream mo is na-attain mo na rin. So, we're happy for you and proud of you.
First impression, mataray. First word to describe, warm-hearted. Things, traits that you will miss, sense of humor. And my message for her is, Gambate. Sayonara!
Hi, Chay! Tuloy ka na pala. Good luck sa bago mong lilipatan doon. First impression ko sa'yo, mabait. Kasi napaka-soft-spoken mo, lalo na hindi ako. Tapos, one word to describe you, humble. Kahit magaling ka, yupi ka, matalino ka, hindi mo pinapafeel sa iba yan na ganun kataas o kung ganun kagaling. Tapos, ano ba? Message. Syempre, message ko dalawa lang. Kasi wag ka magulo. Happiness and love life. Ayun. Sana maging masaya ka dun sa bago mong lilipatan. Siyempre, mas makapag-adjust ka sana ng mas mabilis sa bagong environment. And then, love life, siyempre, alam mo na, hanap ka ng abang doon. Baka mas maraming single na lalaki doon. And sana, makita ko yung post mo na pag may boyfriend ka na. Good luck and God bless. Love you, we will miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Chay, happy birthday. First impression, mabait, pero mukhang seryoso sa buhay. And, but she's really nice. One thing I will miss about Chay would be chocolates from Japan, of course. Sa kanya ko lang natikman yung masarap na chocolate, almond. And then, good luck to your future endeavor. I hope, we'll get to bond when I visit Germantown. So, we're always here. Just keep in touch and see you soon. Happy birthday.
First impression to Chay. Suplada. Suplada siya nung way back 2013, 2014 sa Schneider. Chay. Joke lang. Hindi, mabait siya actually. Siya na yung una kong nakausap, yung na-transfer na yung master data sa amin. So, yun. One word to describe Chay. Super bait. Super bait siya kasi nga para ko na siyang kapatid. Turing kapatid ko na siya. So, ganun yung effect. Things, traits that you will miss. Your sweet, fun message to her. Ayun. So, maraming memories na pumapasok sa isip ko. Pero overall nun, super bait talaga nitong babaeng to. At sana makahanap na siya ng partner sa buhay. Nang sa ganon, makakuha na siya ng sarili niyang family at makakuha na ng apo yung kanyang parents. Which is, yun yung pinapangarap din nila. So, malungkot kasi nga, aalis na siya. Meron na naman ako isang kaibigan na aalis. So, pero that's life. At para rin sa ikakaganda ng buhay ni Chay. Kaya, okay. So, yun lang. Bye, Chay. Ingat palagi and good luck to your life.